Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today, you're getting 2 minutes of me in the car. I am currently waiting for my little sister to be finished volleyball practice. Her and her little friends decided to practice volleyball. They have tryouts tomorrow, so they wanted to get in some extra practice so that they would make the team. And I'm going over some work notes. Got my little booklet. Got my sticky notes. I have my pen. I just threw it down there. Maybe I'll go home and make curry after this. Should I? I think I will. We'll see. All right, ingredients for a curry.
Apple pie filling?
No, we have some red onions, we have some peppers, we have some carrots, we have sweet potato, white potato, garlic, and then chickpeas. Okay, so we're gonna get some oil. Okay, we're doing Jamaican curry mixed with the goat curry.
Don't you like smaller potatoes?
Come in!
Right, Mom?
I like no potatoes.
Yeah, Mom's not a potato person.
You don't eat the potatoes when she makes them?
Does, but she doesn't like potatoes really.
So don't you want them smaller? Like she makes them so big?
No, because then she has to cook the peas. She don't put it so...
Oh, nobody wants some big old...
Some of them won't come off.
We got this one too.
Look, Dr. Unlimited bird curry. Backside. And she a Canadian.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Mix it now?
Mix it now?
Mom, start cutting some apples.
What?
Start cutting some apples.
No, I'm doing my work. Who put a banana peel in the fridge?
Oh, I did. I did.
Because why?
Because I was gonna put it in the garden. I didn't want to put it in the thing.
Some apples, man.
No, I'm gonna finish my work.
Whoa. Baking for yourself.
You did that thing last time. I didn't fix it. You didn't fix your tire? You've been home the whole day and fix your tire?
If I tell you guys one piece of story,
no.
listen now. I called this mechanic to come now and put the new battery in my car. Okay, I just not wasting this piece of man. The man locked my key in the car while it's running. So now you have me.
Abby, you know you're gonna be on the internet now, right? You right?
Oh, shucks, we're...
No.
Okay.
Move to the side. Move to the side.
And you have me walking back and forth.
Yeah, but you look good though. Edit this. He was on my head. Wait, look at this. You guys, the man locked. Oh, wait, are they gonna hear the story too?
Yes. You're still in, by the way.
Oh, it's okay. They won't know it's me. It's okay. They have a story for them too. I'm watching the man with like a metal hanger. My mom had to throw it down. My mom was vexed, you know. I don't even have hammers like that. Had to dash over the metal hanger. And I'm watching the man struggling to unlock the car. And I'm looking at my brother like, don't say nothing. Because my brother is rude. I'm like, don't say nothing, please. It's just a good thing she wasn't there.
Yes. How many cans are stupid?
Oh, no. I'm thinking to myself, imagine if I told Shani to come with me.
Baka Bush
Oh
mechanic.
my gosh, she would have been cussing the man. I probably would have saved some money though.
Can you children please be quiet because really truly,
They're
you guys are
getting
acting like children.
Oh my
So
god.
I should where you caught them. She's not talking. You did this? Maybe I'm gonna do this mix. Anyways.
Now we're adding the coconut cream.
There's something wrong, but you know what? So far, I'm happy.
Okay, so let me turn off the fan. We have 3 pepper options: mild, medium, and hot.
Got into a car
so this is
accident
what we're
and
adding.
got like he turned like he's just not human anymore. Like not human.
So we're outside. I'm making my curry, and I realize that there's something missing, and it's thyme. Okay, now that we have the thyme in there, we're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna let it cook for as long as it needs. So this is my bowl of curry. I don't need your...
Is it in cinematic mode? Right in there.
Why is everyone chatting when I'm trying to show people a video of my delicious, delicious food, right?
Let me taste it for them.
Okay.
Why? So why is the drinks in the car and not in the house?
Right? Make too much noise.
Mom,
And you're showing the dirty sink, Tika, bro?
No, she's not.
dirty sink.
One plate.
This is how we live. It's real life. Sometimes you have a dish in the sink. And why is everyone's hand in my food?
Right?
Did you even take a video of your food?
Yes, I did. And she's just yamming it out. Okay, and my sister
This,
is...
you guys, we got a creation right here. We got apple pie filling with homemade cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna bake it together and get goodness. Yeah.
Yum yum.
Okay, so we're in the garden, and it's time to do a little cleanup. Welcome to Vlogtober Day 4. You see this one here? It used to be standing straight up. It's so heavy that it just tipped right over. We're pulling out the one in front of it right now. Mama. Oh, and he's gone. So this plant still has a bunch of peppers on it. So we're gonna see. I'll leave it until like the frost comes and it can't do any more peppering, but this is her. This plant also has a bunch of peppers on it still. And this jalapeno plant is also still producing a bunch of peppers. And the eggplant's still growing. Oh, how is your lifestyle change going? Oh my gosh. Oh man. This year, I did not stay on top of the pruning for the tomatoes. And it was also the first year that we grew our tomatoes in ground, so they exploded. I'm talking like 7-8 feet tall. They were huge. It was amazing. But I want to see, it's like October 4th today. I'm gonna leave these tomatoes up just to see if these guys will finish up. It might get too cold. Plus this guy has like a split in it, so I don't actually know if it's I don't know if it's going to, you know, do anything, but we'll see. Okay, so, camera's gonna die. We're done for the day. Got some flowers to go inside. Let me show you the progress that we've made. So that bin's cleared. Got that section pretty much cleared. I'm gonna leave this to see if it ripens. Got a few more. Still got some eggplants going. The okra is still growing, but we'll see if it actually turns into anything. It is getting cold, and we still have to do the rest of this, but I have work tomorrow. I'm getting tired. So this is where we're leaving it for today.